In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vapor canister vent solenoid on your Chevy Colorado. This is located underneath the vehicle and right on top of your vapor canister. Let's get started. Up on top of the vapor canister, we find our vent solenoid. You can turn counterclockwise. We have a small red tab on the back side of the connector. You can pop the little red tab out. And you can press in on the tab right behind that. We have a small tab towards the outside of the EVAP canister. I'm going to push down on that tab. Then I'm going to use a pry bar on the back side of the EVAP canister to push it out from the frame. With that pop down, you can pull out our vent valve. We'll start to get the vent valve back in. Turn it clockwise and lock it in. Get the electrical connector back up. Make sure that locks in and press down on the red tab. We'll get the EVAP canister lined up top. Start to slide it in. Make sure that the tab goes into the bracket. Start up the vehicle and make sure you don't have a check engine light. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.